Sign in with Apple is a way to sign into apps or websites using your Apple ID. With it, you can set up an account easily. But occasionally when you try to sign in with Apple, there pops up a message your Apple ID cannot be used to create accounts for other apps. How to fix this? First, we should check the requirements to use Sign In with Apple. Make sure you signed in with your Apple ID. And two-factor authentication is on. Be sure that you are at least 13 years old. If you fulfill all the requirements, but sign in with Apple is still not work, try to use another Apple ID. If you forgot your Apple ID password, PassFab iPhone Unlocker could help. Connect iPhone to the computer. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Unlock Apple ID. Read the disclaimer and click Next. Make sure you have set up a screen passcode. Confirm you enabled two-factor authentication. Download the firmware. Now, click Start Remove. Wait for a while. Once done, unlock your iPhone with the screen passcode. And you can set up your iPhone and sign in with another Apple ID.